comments, and my presentation is about tools and strategies for grinding of freeformed compressor blades. Riblet structures can be found sharp skin and reduce skin friction up to 10%. Skin friction limits the efficiency of different machines like pumps or turbines. Therefore, the use of riblet structures in the industry has great potential. To use the potential of micro patterns, manufacturing processes are required, which economically generate micro patterns in high quality. This presentation shows the potential of different running wheel types for the manufacturing of riblets. And finally, I present a new running wheel design which enables the structuring of up to 15 compressor blades per day.